Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you on how to fix Instagram message reply using your iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, I'm gonna show you what I mean by Instagram message reply. Okay. So now when I open my Instagram and go to my friend's conversation, okay, so as you can see, when I long press on a message, I have this reply button, right? So now, if you don't have this feature, what you need to do is to just go ahead and update your Instagram on your App Store. So just go ahead and open your App Store and search for Instagram. Okay, so now if you see an update button instead of open button, just go ahead and click on that and just go ahead and wait until it is done updating. So once your Instagram is done updating, just go ahead and check again on your Instagram. And if you still don't have the reply feature, what you need to do is to just go ahead and report a problem. Okay, so to do that, click on your profile photo at the lower right corner of your screen. Click on the three little lines at the upper right corner of your screen. Click on Settings and Privacy. You want to scroll down and click on Help. Click on Report a Problem. Report problem without shaking. Okay, so now just go ahead and briefly explain what happened or what's not working. Okay, so just go ahead and tell that or type that you don't have the reply feature on your Instagram. Okay, so after you type your concern, just go ahead and click on the send button at the upper right corner of your screen. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.